Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to Zen Romance Tarot. We're going to take a look at Libra. Hey Libra, I hope you guys are doing okay out there. I did meditate over these cards. We're going to take a look and see what's going on with your energy. Give me one sec, guys. Okay. Sorry about that. I forgot it was on. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Sorry, I'm not sure what's going on with the lighting. I had plenty of it, but it just doesn't... For some reason, it's not translating on the screen. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, please. Let's take a look and see what's going on with you, Libra, because I'm not sure where to go with this one. I'm not sure what it's all about. I do see that there is some paranoia here. We have the Nine of Wands reversed for you. All right? So, you know what, Libra? I feel like some of you guys feel like I'm fighting a losing battle. I don't know what the situation is about. I'm looking at these cards, and it looks like... I can't say it's all, listen, this is about stability. This is about finances. This is about gaining some kind of balance on something. When I look at the Nine of Wands in this reading, it talks about you considering walking away from a situation that is not serving you anymore. As a matter of fact, it's a losing battle for you. So you're thinking to yourself, and in some cases, and this is not for everybody, these readings are general. They are entertainment purposes only. I don't know you. Never seen you, whatever. But for some of you, it might be beneficial for you to cut your losses, whatever this is, financial or whatever, if it is emotionally driven, right, in terms of relationship affairs of the heart. You guys are looking at walking away. That's the way I feel about it. It looks like whatever you were into, whether this be business, it looks like a lot of business. This looks like it's financially related. I see a lot of finances. So let me take a look and see what's going on here. Paranoia. You're paranoid about something because you feel like you've been fighting, and it's a losing battle for you. You're not getting anywhere. As a matter of fact, you consider whatever this situation is to be a failure at this point. For some of you guys, this is business related because it does speak specifically to enterprise of some sort. Depending on which business you're in, it's about money, whatever. You might be having some challenges with that because I see some changes coming up for you. Accepting failure. Your dynamic is going to change, Libra, but you are still able to go on with your life. So whatever it is you have to relinquish, you can go on and live your life. You're being advised to go on and live your life. Whatever this means to you. We also have the Emperor card. So I feel like some of you guys are in this place where you're extremely disciplined at the moment. I feel like some of you guys, you could be a father figure. I do see that. You could be the leader of a household. You could be an authoritative figure. The funny thing is, you walk with discipline. You're like, I have to do this. I'm disciplined, or you're trying to become disciplined. You're trying to obey the rules in something. And I feel like you guys are really focused on stability. All right. Now, you and others, I guess you weren't listening to whatever was going on in some other scenario. Because there's something here with you other people and you were not listening to your intuition. All right. I feel like at this point, you guys may even be with, I don't know if this is, I mean, it could be a yoga instructor, just somebody who allows you to, somebody that teaches you how to take time, take a minute, reflect on things, figure out what this is. I feel like this is somebody who guides you. So this is a teacher or father figure. Some of you guys... And let's be real, some of you guys understand that there are some things that are going on around you, right? Okay? There are some things going on around you, and I feel like you guys are starting to realize that there are certain forces around you that you need to bind. So you need to deal with that part of it. When I look at this card, it talks about manifesting stability again. All right, so with the 9 card, that was about something not coming into fruition. Like, I don't know how this is going to work out, but with this card, I see that you guys are definitely trying to manifest something. We also have the 6 of Wands here. This talks about you having victory over some sort of a matter, right? You're being advised that no matter what happens, you are supposed to keep your eyes on the prize, right? And you have to stay focused so you can get ahead, all right? There's some lessons learned out of this situation, whatever this is for you, but there's some situations that happened in the past which are helping you sculpt or carve out how you plan to maneuver going forward. So there's some lessons learned with hiccups from the past. We also have the 7 of Pentacles here. Now this card talks about your energy being scattered because you have these things going on, right? So energy scattered, why? Because with the things that you need to focus on, it's like there's some infusion of of paranoia, where you can't necessarily think straight, which is not with the Nine of Wands reverse, and then you have the Seven of Pentacles reverse. So there's scattered energy, scattered thoughts. This is about a business. This is about a job. This is about your finances. So I think that finances are a big concern for you right now. In some cases, a big worry. There are concerns and then there are worries. Okay. Let's take a look and see where we are with affairs of the heart. I think for this one, because Libra, what is going on? Libra, how can we help you? How can we help make things clear? Understand that you need to focus at this point, because you need to keep your eyes on the prize. You are in jeopardy. If you don't keep your eyes on the prize, you have scattered thoughts. You can't think straight. And then you lose control. So, I see that you're trying to be disciplined in the middle of a storm. I see that. So, I know it sounds crazy, but that's a good thing. All right. Now, when we look at also the Six of Wands, there's some kind of victory, like I said, but there's recognition about something. Some kind of recognition. Tell me what's going on in love for Libra. What's going on with love for Libra? Finances and career. Guys, it's coming out. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. I ain't worried about love. I'm worried about my stability. Am I going to be able to, keep this paid and pay, whatever? How am I going to do this? What does this financial forecast look for me? And how does it look in the future? And for some of you guys, you're very concerned about this. Attraction. Now, you attract romantic love as you enjoy this moment fully. I feel like there's, I don't think you know this just yet. I don't know. I don't think you care. I think you do care, but you're not there yet. I think that factor might become important later on. I don't know why I feel like that, but I do. Because you have some decisions that you want to make. You tried to make something work, and it wasn't working. Right? But some things, free yourself. You keep debating, do I want to free myself from some situation? It's time to take back control of your life. I think that's what you're trying to do, because I see the Emperor card. So that's somebody guiding you. Also with the Emperor card, I want to point out, guys, with the Emperor card, I'm going to look at this. This is talking about evil forces. It is talking about issues with your biological father or authoritative figures. So I just wanted to point that out, that there could be some home issues as well, with biological fathers, whatever that has to do with. Also, let's take a look at the last card. I'm going to pull another one here for you guys, okay? Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Taking a chance on somebody else. I think you're thinking about it when you get up out this rut or whatever's going on here. I think you are thinking about, it's going to come a time when the finances and career, financial issues, when this card is reversed and it turns around and you start to see things turn around financially for you, or you get them in place where you're able to take care of your responsibilities, Libra, or whatever this is about, I think you start to involve yourself with, like, nature. See, nature to me is like the sound factory for peace, right? So I think at some point this is going to become important to you, because after this storm is over, it's like you're not going to want to do anything but breathe. But then you need to decide, I want to free myself. It's time to take back control of my life. This signals to me that there had been some challenges with that, all right? And I say that because we have the Six of Wands. This talks about the victory, the recognition. I got to free myself from some kind of a situation. Seven of Pentacles. Waiting for the results of something. I feel like, I don't know if you're still waiting anymore. I feel like you're coming out of the energy of waiting. I feel like you are, I don't know where you are with this. I do see that there's a lot of thinking, and I think at the forefront of your mind is my finances. How am I going to make sure? How am I going to be, if you guys are parents, the father I need to be? Right? Attraction, free yourself, keep an open mind. I think that at some point, once you start breathing, you're going to free yourself mentally from some kind of a situation where it really is self-imposed to an extent. But it's not. It is, but it ain't, kind of thing. But keep an open mind. I think that, I don't know how long this is out, but, and you guys know me and the time cards. They never work for me. Hey, yeah, listen. Sometimes when I pull those cards, sometimes it's just not, I wasn't meant to know. I ain't meant to tell what I don't see, so I ain't gonna, and even then you can't say too much. You have to shut your mouth. All right. So let's take a look and see if we have, how long, let's look at time. Give me something with time. Why do I feel like this deck is so small? Probably because there's 2 cards in the whole thing. Is that... Yep, okay, that I knew there was a few that were missing. I was like, those don't feel right. Hold on. I think I mixed up a whole bunch of them too. But I didn't like those. I like these with these. Okay. Alright, I'll leave those there. I'll pull some other ones if I need to. But I do want to see, do we have a time frame for when this decision is going to be made at some point? Or, because I see, to me, this is a paranoid inside feeling for Libra that I'm going through here. I feel like I failed at something. I learned my lessons from failure. Okay. And it looks like there's some financial recovery that needs to happen or is happening within a week. Ooh. Ooh. That shocked me because I never get time. So something is going to happen within a week. Maybe in a week you'll be able to breathe, something with finances, free yourself from a situation. This waits. You're still debating. Within a week, you're still debating. Hold on. Wow, I like how free-flowing these suckers are now. Any other time, they don't want to pop out. All right. Let's see. One more, please. Because I have 2 decks. Like, hopefully time won't come out again. I don't even... All right. And it did not. Mars. Red and bright in the sky. Mars is named after the Roman of war. Mars is associated with action and physical energy, desire and ambition, competition, self-assertion, and ego. It's linked to disruptive changes and radical upheavals are sudden and unexpected, meaning life will never be the same again. It's going to be different, Libra. By drawing this card, you're invited to use the energies of Mars to end conflicts, to motivate yourself, improve strength, power, and authority. Because some of you guys have an issue with authority. Like, I don't like how you do stuff. But you might be in a authoritative... It depends on the dynamic. So if you are... I don't know, if you're the breadwinner of the family, there's your authority, right? So if you have people you have to answer to at work, there's your authority. So whatever that goes for you. I don't know that anybody is ever without authority in a sense, if you want to think about it like that. But for self-assertion and for anything that needs to be kick-started or requires physical work. Within a week, I'm still thinking about it. I'm going to use my energy differently. I want to use my energy to end conflicts that I'm going through. So I think Libra, whatever this is, I think you're going to make a decision in a week about how you're going to handle a situation. I'm not sure what this all means. Let me see. I'm going to pull... I hope these things don't fall. Look at the camera shaking. That's because I have like a castle over here. I have a card castle. It's cute. It really looks like a card castle. Yeah, it's kind of cute. I made it myself. No, I didn't. I didn't make this. I put 2 pieces together that I bought from like a junkyard or something. Who knows? Anyway. Okay. I love thrift shopping. I think it's great. I love it. All types of old stuff. You can do what you want with it fashion-wise. Like, you gotta love it. Anyway, okay. So, tell me what I need to know. Tell me the situation, a deeper look at the situation of love, finances, career. Why are you looking to free yourself? What's the deal? You're looking to bring some kind of end to some kind of conflict. Healthy choices. Making healthy choices in love and life. Self-care. Self-care, being happier. I feel like because this card came out reversed, this is what you're trying to do at the moment. This is what you're trying to achieve. Healthy choices. I feel like you have some decisions that you need to make. I like you. Someone likes you. Romance is blooming. Fun, flirting, want to date. Yep, you're thinking about whether or not you want to move on from a situation. And I think that you do feel something for somebody. Now, this might be your partner. This could be somebody else. I don't know. Let's see. Give me one more. Tell me what I need to know. Tell me. Romance is blooming. That's something new. Date. I think you're contemplating whether or not you want to ask somebody out on a date. I see soulmate. Keep an open mind. Could this person be the one for me? Meeting someone new. Dating. Get back out there. Plan and set a date. So Libra, it looks like you want to date somebody. I think you're going to make up your mind about how you deal with the situation having to do with finances and career. And then you move on to the rest of this journey. It looks like something might come up. Whatever that means for you. Okay. Guys, that's all I have. Is it really though? No. Let me get one more for you. Hold on. Let me see if I can get a message out of these. Give me a message for Libra, please. Tell me what Libra needs to focus on, please. Listen, you know what? Why don't we just pull messages for Libra? We're already at 14. Hey, listen. You know, I'll give you a few more cards if I got a minute. I have no problem doing that, guys. Actually, I like reading for you guys. It's fun. It's funny. It's like, because the thing is like, yes, there's stories, but they actually do have, like, what? I think that's part of why I decided to name the channel like a Scorpio soap opera. Yeah, okay. Because this is like, when I was like, this is all soap opera. This is like Broadway. Like, everybody performing. It's weird. Anyway, all right, let's see. Okay, give me a card for Libra, please. Oh, okay, well. 2 came out, and because I like this deck, and because they came out, I'm going to see. Oh, there was 3 of them. I wasn't hoping for 3, but okay. Manifesting miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. Okay, sorry about that, guys. All right, let's see what the next one is. Romance. Cupid's arrow strikes. Yeah, you guys are digging somebody. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transforms all things. This could be somebody from your past, too. I don't think so. I feel like it's a new person because there's too many things that connect you to somebody new. Keeping an open mind about somebody new. Somebody who's different from what you typically date. So, I mean, if you usually date like rocker people, then maybe you're going to date a hippie or something like that. So it's going to be somebody completely opposite, and this person catches your heart. So whatever that's about, that's all I have for you guys. I want to thank you so much for tuning in to Zen Romance Tarot. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Please. Okay, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.